In this Squarespace tutorial, let's take a look at how to add a fave icon to your website. So the fave icon is that little image that appears in your browser tab right here. Now, if you don't have one uploaded, it'll just be this little black cube. We go down to settings to upload our fave icon, and then inside of website settings, we'll find fave icon right here. And we can upload both a default icon and a dark mode, which is optional. So if you want a different icon for dark mode, depending on the way that your icon looks, you can go ahead and upload that here as well. Now this icon should be in PNG file format, so it's just a PNG image, and make sure it's 300 by 300, at minimum 100 by 100 pixels. So we click Add Favicon right here. Now the file size max is 0.1 megabytes, but you shouldn't have any trouble with that. This is a very small file. You can select from your library of images on your site already or upload a new file. Here on my desktop, I just have a quick PNG fave icon blue circle that I'm going to upload, and then we're going to hit open. It's going to upload that. Once you see that it's uploaded and set in here, you can replace and edit it, also delete it by clicking the three dots. And then we can go to save. And so it's going to save that to your website. Now, once you've saved that to your website, we can get out of settings. And if we refresh the page, more than likely we'll see this little icon up here change. Here in a second, there it is. So just a blue circle is what I uploaded. And now instead of the black cube, we have that blue circle fave icon up there. That's how you can add an icon image to your website tabs here in Squarespace.